My name is Julie Zierold. I'm the Director of Curriculum and Instruction in the Perris Union High School District. I've had the pleasure of watching John's presentation on empathy. I think just the inclusion of poetry and spoken word in presentations with students and staff is so important. It allows students and staff to actually share emotions and feelings that don't necessarily come out in conversations with one another. John's ability to connect with the audience using the spoken word has been amazing to see just how people have reacted and responded to what they're hearing. Lots of head nods when he's talking about those connections with kids and the experiences that not only he had as a child growing up and as a teacher and as an administrator. Just seeing how those connections are so meaningful and carry on with students as they move forward through their different challenges and adversity. My biggest takeaway is just how important those relationships are with our students and having those conversations and connections with students when we can see a change in their demeanor or understandably seeing them with sadness or concerns, that it's so important for us to take the time to ask our students if they're okay, what's going on in their life, in order to be able to connect with them. I've known John for 8 years. His heart for kids and the impact that he makes every day is amazing, and I am so excited to see him share his message with everybody.